Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Instructions. Cook the eggs. Peel the eggs and then cut them in half, lengthwise. Stir together the mayonnaise, pickle relish, and mustard. Add a big spoonful of filling back into each egg white. Store in fridge for up to 3 days. Tip: mash up any leftover deviled eggs and make egg salad sandwiches.
Take our lead.
2. Not cooling the hard-boiled eggs first. Cooling between cooking and assembling deviled eggs is a crucial step. When the eggs are still warm, the whites are more delicate, making them easier to tear or rip, while yolks that are too warm can cause the mayonnaise or yogurt to separate. 30 April 2019.
Let's help you make your mark.
Place eggs in a medium pot and cover with cold water by 1 inch. Bring to a boil, then cover the pot and turn the heat off. Let the eggs cook, covered, for 9 to 12 minutes, depending on your desired doneness. See photo.
Take our lead.
If you are responsible for bringing deviled eggs, you can give yourself a head start with these tips. Boil the eggs up to 48 hours in advance. Peel, cut in half, and remove yolks. Just before you're ready to serve, take the tray of egg whites and the yolk mixture from fridge. 15 April 2019.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.